Sweet though.
That's funny. Okay, kid jumper, another kid jumper. Okay, wait, we got everybody, right? Of the little teeny ones. Okay, you guys are 1, 2, 3. The kids are getting the deal, huh? Rylan, Rhea, Phoebe, Kylie. Right, I got it right. Everyone else that's big, the line of people, the other kids who can't figure out where in line they go. Okay, who's trying to jump the line? Line jumpers. More line jumpers. Line jumpers. Line jumpers.
Wait, we lost one of the 13-year-olds, Dion.
Oh, he's...
Which one?
He'll probably jump from the middle.